Hello, in this video I will explain what reserve mean in your equipment. And to do this, let's open the edit button. Right here we have our current equipment that we'll start the match with. And there's a weapon and gadgets that you can use. There's also specialization. And here's the reserve, and if you're wondering what it is, it basically shows you all of the weapons or gadgets that you can take on the into the match and exchange them during that match. So you won't have the access to everything you unlocked in the game, you'll only have access to your reserve, and you can customize it just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.